I think the most profound impact really has been simplifying what we focus on and really getting into the cadence of getting simple priorities rolled down effectively into our organization. And what that's enabled us to do is get the whole of our organization rowing in the same direction.
Certainly working with Dom hasn't really been Dom coming up with a whole bunch of revolutionary ideas, but rather bringing clarity about what we're trying to achieve, and also allowing me to decide with some conviction not to follow every idea that comes into my head.
We needed a framework, so some sort of best practices get together that make sense between them, and the second one, someone that has experience on applying this framework, so that whenever we find a roadblock, that person can help us go through it or around it. And so that's what we needed, and that's what we found in Dom.